Well, I'm going to try to work on the cracks in the insulation board. I've removed all these buckets from here. I have to work my way around the shop. As you can see, these giant holes. The wind is just whistling through there, so I have to take all the things down. I cleaned the shop. If you guys watched the last video, I got rid of all the big furniture that was here, the big red cabinet and that other dresser and the small dresser that was over here. So that means I can work from this way all the way down to here, and try to do the great stuff. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, I'm pooped out. I used my old paint up for primer, as you guys can see the weird color on the wall, but it's too hard to video when I'm doing all this up and down on the ladder stuff. So anyways, stay tuned for the rest of it. Love you guys.